Looking for flawless, glowing skin without chemicals? Let me introduce you to one of nature's most powerful skin healers, aloe vera. This miracle gel has been trusted for centuries. Let's see how it can transform your skin naturally. Aloe vera gel is rich in over 75 active compounds, including vitamins A, C, E, enzymes, and amino acids. It hydrates, soothes, and promotes skin repair. Whether you struggle with acne, dryness, redness, or dullness, aloe vera has your back. Here's how aloe vera helps you get flawless skin. Deep hydration soaks into the skin without leaving it greasy. Reduces acne and blemishes, antibacterial and anti-inflammatory. Soothes redness and sunburn, cools and heals irritated skin. Boosts collagen, helps skin stay firm and youthful. Here's the best way to use it. Cut a fresh aloe vera leaf and extract the gel. Apply a thin layer on clean skin, like a soothing serum or overnight mask. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes or overnight. Then rinse with lukewarm water. Use 3 to 4 times a week for visible results. That's it. One simple, powerful ingredient straight from nature. Consistent use of aloe vera can make your skin softer, clearer, and naturally glowing. Let your skin breathe and glow the natural way. For more beauty secrets from nature, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.